Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make a crypto wallet for staking. First, you need to choose the right wallet. There are many options, including hardware wallets like Ledger or Trezor, which offer top-tier security, and software wallets such as Exodus or MetaMask, known for their ease of use. Your choice depends on your security preferences and the specific cryptocurrency you plan to stake. Always ensure the wallet supports your chosen asset. Once you've chosen a wallet, the next step is setting it up. Download the official application directly from the developer's website to avoid scams. During setup, you will generate a seed phrase, typically 12 or 24 words long. Write this down physically and store it in a very safe, private location. Never share it. Also, create a robust password, combining uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum protection. With your wallet ready, it's time to fund it. Purchase the cryptocurrency you wish to stake from a trusted exchange, like Binance or Coinbase. Then, initiate a transfer from the exchange to your new wallet. Carefully copy and paste your wallet's public address into the exchange's withdrawal field. It is crucial to double-check every character of the address before confirming the transaction, as funds sent to an incorrect address are often irrecoverable. Finally, you're ready to begin staking. Access the staking feature within your wallet application or through a linked staking platform. Choose the amount of cryptocurrency you want to commit to staking. Be aware of any minimum staking requirements, which can vary widely, sometimes as low as 1 unit or as high as 32 units for certain networks. Confirm the transaction, and your assets will start earning rewards. Remember to understand the unbonding period, which can be several days or weeks.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.